Welcome to Bike Plus, your trusted source for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're reviewing the brand new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 Duo, a compact hatchback that now comes with a dual-fuel option, combining petrol and CNG for maximum efficiency and economy. Design and exterior. The 2025 Alto 800 Duo features subtle design upgrades while keeping its compact and practical form. The refreshed front fascia includes a sharper grille, swept-back halogen headlamps, and a more aerodynamic bumper. With new dual-tone color options and stylish wheel covers, the Duo brings a modern vibe to a timeless silhouette, perfect for city driving and tight parking spots. Interior and features. Inside, the Alto 800 Duo offers improved practicality and comfort. The cabin features dual-tone upholstery, a redesigned dashboard, and better seat cushioning. It also gets a new digital instrument cluster and a basic infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Though minimalistic, the cabin is built for function, with ample legroom in the front and enough headroom for average-height passengers. It's still one of the most affordable small cars with usable space. Engine, mileage and Duo advantage. Powering the Alto 800 Duo is a refined 796 cubic centimeters petrol engine, now tuned for dual-fuel use. With the CNG mode engaged, the car prioritizes fuel economy, delivering an impressive mileage of around 31 to 33 km/kg. In petrol mode, it offers about 22 to 24 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in India. The 5-speed manual transmission ensures smooth city rides, and the switch between fuel modes is seamless, adding to daily convenience. Pricing and final thoughts. Priced between 4.5 Indian rupees to 5.5 Indian rupees Lakhs, ex-showroom, the 2025 Alto 800 Duo is a brilliant choice for budget-conscious buyers. It delivers on affordability, efficiency, and low maintenance. Maruti has once again proven why the Alto remains a favorite in Indian households. For more updates on new launches and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Plus.